Yeah.
Hudson, can you sand this spot right there?
Papa.
Yeah, you're helping Pawpaw. Can you go help Pawpaw over there?
He's good help. Here, Hudson, can you sand that right there? That's got to be sanded. Yeah, go ahead, sand it. No, this is something that Papa's got to use. This is sharp.
Dad, can you help him sand a little?
Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it. Get that going. Yeah. How about here? Can you sand this for me? That's it. Here, why don't you hold on with that hand? Okay, keep on going.
He's got to get his whole body into it, Dad.
I see that. Oh, yeah. Very good, Hudson. It's
Good,
nice and smooth.
good job, Hudson.
Nice and smooth. Yeah.
Did you help Pawpaw screw in all of those screws for the table?
Oh, yeah.
No.
Hudson is good help.
Papa.
Yeah? What's Pawpaw doing?
Papa.
Sharp, yeah, that's sharp.
Yeah, we're trying to give you a round edge here so that it won't hurt.